integrals. Today we will start method of integration. Is in this type, first we start integration by method of substitution, exercise 7.2. So today we learn 4 new formulas by method of substitution. So integration of tan x dx, we have to find integration of tan x dx. So we simplify it, convert tan x into sin upon cos x dx. Here we will do integration by method of substitution. So I will explain you method of substitution. In the method of substitution, differential of one function is given to you. Differential of one function is given to you. Out of two functions, there is one differential is given to you. So whose differential is given to you, take it as t. जिसका differential पता हो उसको क्या मान लेंगे t. So I will take cos x is equal to t. So what is the differential of cos x? Minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So what is the value of sin x? Dx is equal to minus dt. Instead of sin x dx, you can write minus dt. So minus you take out and dt instead of dt, and cos x की जगह क्या लिख देंगे आप t. So what is the integration of 1 upon t is minus log t plus c. What is the value of t? Cos x. So minus log cos x plus c, or you can write log sec x plus c. Similarly, you can do the differential of cot x dx. So cot x, we simplify cot x as cos x upon sin x dx. Now take sin x. In method of substitution, differential of one function is given to you. जिसका डिफरेंशियल पता होता है उसको क्या मान लेते हैं t. इधर अपन sin x को t मान लेंगे. sin x का डिफरेंशियल क्या है? cos x dx is equal to dt. So cos x dx किस में चला जाएगा? dt में. and sin x किस में चला जाएगा? t में. So it is dt upon t. So the integral is log t plus c. Instead of t you can put sin x plus c. So this is the differentiation integral of cot x is log sin x, tan x is log sec x. Now I will take third part of this, log sec x. What is the integral of log sec x? Integral of log sec x dx. No, only the integral of sec x dx. So it is integral of sec x is, how will you calculate sec x? Sec x multiplied numerator and denominator by sec x plus tan x, sec x plus tan x dx. Now multiplied it in the bracket, it is sec square x plus tan x sec x upon sec x plus tan x dx. Now here you see that the integral of differential of sec x plus tan x is sec square x plus tan x sec x. So I will take sec x plus tan x is equal to t. So differentiate it, sec x का क्या हो जाता है? sec x tan x plus tan x का sec square x dx is equal to dt. इसको एक्चुअली अपन क्या करते हैं? dt का डिफरेंशियल करेंगे dt बाय dx. तो जब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो dx इधर आ जाएगा. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस यू कैन राइट dt, and instead of sec x tan x you can write t. It is log t plus c. So the integral of sec x is log sec x plus tan x plus c. Similarly, you can find the integral of cosec x dx. So I will write directly. It is the formula log cosec x minus cot x plus c. Question first. Integrate 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. This is indefinite integrals. Now, differential of 1 plus x square is 2x. We know that. So I will put 1 plus x square is equal to t. Now differentiate it. 1 का 0, x square is 2x dx is equal to dt. So 2x dx किस में चला जाएगा? ये dt अपॉन dx होता है, इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 2x dx हो जाएगा. तो ये तो चला गया dt में, और 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर की जगह आप t लिखिए. इट इज log t प्लस c. इट इज log t का क्या हो जाएगा? 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस c. So this is your answer. I will take third part. Integral of 1 upon x plus x log x dx. You have to integrate it. So what we do, first we simplify it, take x common, so it becomes 1. X common लिया, क्या बचा? 1 plus 1 log x dx. Now there are two functions. I will take 1 plus log x is equal to t. So 1 upon x किस में चला जाएगा? dt में. So I will take 1 plus log x is equal to t. 1 का तो हो गया 0. 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. So 1 upon x dx इसकी जगह 1 upon x dx की जगह तो हो गया dt, and 1 plus log x की जगह t. So it becomes integral of 1 upon t is log t. So again convert the variable t in x. So instead of t you can write 1 plus log x plus c. Now I will take question number 5. Integrate sin ax plus b cos ax plus b dx. Integrate it. There are two methods. I will take sin x is equal to t, or you know that the formula of sin 2x is, we know that sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So I will multiply it by 2. So it becomes sin 2a. So 1 upon 2 is equal to sin 2ax plus b dx. So it becomes 1 upon 2 sin 2ax plus 2b dx. So what is the integral of sin x? Is minus cos x. So minus 1 upon 2 cos 2ax plus 2b. इस पूरे को अपन ने क्या माना? x. So 2ax plus b. Now we know that in differential we differentiate it, you will get 2a and it is 0. So integration is the reverse process of differentiation. So 2a का रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 1 upon 2a. So final answer becomes minus 1 upon 4a cos 2ax plus 2b and plus c. इधर कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन लगाते हैं क्योंकि डिफरेंशियल करते हैं तो 0 होता है, और 0 का इंटीग्रेट करेंगे तो कांस्टेंट. Now I will take another question. Question number 7. X under root x plus 2 dx. X, there are two methods. Either you make it plus 2 minus 2, or by substitution. I will do it by substitution. I will take root x plus 2 is equal to t, and squaring it you will get x plus 2 is equal to t square. Now dx is equal to, x का तो 1 होता है, 2 का 0 होता है, ये हो जाएगा 2t dt by dx होगा, dx इधर चला गया. So instead of dx you can write 2 dt, or instead of x you can write t square minus 2. Instead of x you can write t square minus 2, root x plus 2 is t, and dx is 2 dt. 2 take it outside into t dt. Now it becomes 2 bracket t into t square into t square, t4 minus 2t cube dt. Now integrate it, t की power n, तो n plus 1 upon n plus 1, 2 bracket t की power 5 upon 5 minus 2 t की power 4, 3 plus 1, it is t square, 2 into 2 t square, so it is t3 upon 2 plus c. Now putting the values of t and multiplied by 2, you will get, what is the value of t? T is x plus 2 की power 1 by 2. Instead of t you can write x plus, so 2 से multiply करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, 2 upon 5 t की power x plus 2 5 by 2 minus 2 से 2 कट गया. See here, if you take it 2 inside, it is 3. It is 3. T की power 3 3. 2 multiply, it is 4 upon 3 minus 4 upon 3 x plus 2 की power 3 by 2 plus c. So this is the answer. So this is the answer. Question 10. Integration of 1 upon x minus root x dx. Now first I will take common. X minus root x, I will take root x common, so it becomes x की जगह क्या बचेगा, root x minus 1 dx. Now we know that the differential of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, so I will full take t, it is. So what is the differentiation of this, 1 upon 2 root x, 1 का तो 0 हो गया, it is dt by dx, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, dx is equal to dt. Now what is the value of dx upon root x is equal to 2 dt. dx upon, इसकी जगह आप क्या लिख दीजिएगा, 2 dt, तो 2 take it out, dt upon this is t, so it is 2 log t plus c. So final answer is 2 log t की जगह आप क्या रखेंगे, root x minus 1 plus c. So this is the integral of 1 upon x minus root x. Now I will take question number 11. Question 11 is x upon root x plus 4 dx. Just now I will do the integral of x plus root 2 को अपन ने t लिया था उस केस में, अब इसको अपन सेपरेट करके करते हैं. देखिए, here I can add in numerator plus 4 minus 4 upon x plus 4 dx. Now I will separate it, x plus 4 upon root x plus 4 minus integral 4 upon root x plus 4 dx. Now if you cut it, it becomes root x plus 4. So it is x plus 4 का इंटीग्रल निकालेंगे अपन की पावर 1 by 2 minus 4 taking common out, and it is x plus 4 की पावर minus 1 by 2 dx. Now use the formula of x की power n. So it is x plus 4 की power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 4 x plus 4 की power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Now simplify it, you will get, इसको प्लस करेंगे तो आ जाएगा 3 by 2 और ये हो जाएगा 3 by 2, तो 2 ऊपर चला जाएगा. दिस इंप्लाइज 2 upon 3 x plus 4 की पावर 3 by 2 प्लस minus 4 माइनस हाफ करेंगे तो कितना बचेगा 1/2 और ये 2 ऊपर चला जाएगा इंटू 2 माइनस 1/2 प्लस 1 इट इज 1/2 एंड इट इज 1/2 तो ये हो जाएगा इंटू 2 x प्लस 4 की पावर 1/2 प्लस c. सो मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए इट इज 8. सो दिस इज द आंसर. Question 12. Integrate x cube minus 1 to the power 1/3 x to the power 5 dx. Now, we made breakup of this x to the power 5. Instead of x to the power 5, we can write x cube into x square dx. Now I will take x cube is t, so it becomes 3x square dx is equal to dt, or you can say that x square dx की वैल्यू आ गई 1/3 dt. इसकी जगह आप क्या लिख देंगे 1/3 take outside and dt put it here. So x cube की जगह हो गया t cube minus 1 की पावर 3 and t. Now x square dx is 1/3 dt. I will take 1/3 here and x square dx की जगह रख दिया dt. Now you see here we can't multiply this because it is in the whole number 1/3. So what we do, we will add -1 and +1 in t. So it becomes t cube minus 1 की पावर 1/3 t minus 1 plus 1 now dt. Now you can multiply this with this and this with this. So you will get 1/3. If you multiply by this, it will become t to the power 3 minus 1 1/3 plus 1. Base same हो जाएगा 1 plus here the sign of integrals continue. इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1 को किसी भी चीज से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे सेम थिंग विल कम t cube minus 1 dt. Now you can integrate, separate it, you will get 1/3 you can plus it 3 plus 1 4/3 t cube minus 1 4/3 1/3 अंदर चला जाएगा प्लस 1/3 इंटीग्रल ऑफ t cube minus 1 dt. Now we will integrate it by the power of x to the power n. So 1/3 t की cube minus 1 4/3 plus 1 upon 4/3 plus 1 plus 1/3 t to the power 1/3 minus 1. It will become, so it is 1/3, here it is 1/3, here it is 1/3, 1/3 plus 1 upon 1/3 plus 1. Now it is 7/3, so it becomes 1/3 into 7 upon 3 हो जाएगा, ये तो 3 ऊपर आ जाएगा 7 नीचे. So t to the power 3 minus 1 7/3. Here it is 1/3 and 3 ऊपर आ जाएगा और 4 नीचे चला जाएगा. So it is 4/3, it is 3/4 t cube minus 1. So it is 4/3 plus c. Now simplify it, cut 3/3 and put the value of t. t की वैल्यू क्या है? What is the value of t? X cube. So put it there, x cube. So it is 1/7 x cube minus 1 7/3 3 cut plus 1/4 x cube minus 1 4/3 plus c. This is the answer. This is the answer. Question number 19. Integrate e की power 2x minus 1 upon e की power 2x plus 1 dx. Now see here, we take common e की power x in both these. Here e की power x is not there, so I will write here, suppose I will write e की power x upon e की power x. Instead of this I will write e की power x upon e की. Now I will take e की power x common, so it becomes, इसमें से e की power x common लेंगे तो e की power x left here, इधर e की power x common लेना है, इसलिए मैंने ऊपर नीचे क्या किया, e की power x से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, so it becomes e की power minus x. ऊपर वाला तो बाहर आ गया, नीचे वाला ऊपर जाएगा तो e की power minus x. Similarly in denominator, e की power x plus e की power minus x dx. This will cut out. Now differential of denominator is given to you in the numerator, so we'll take this is as t. Put e की power x plus e की power minus x is equal to t, so it becomes e की power x, e की power minus x का हो जाएगा minus e की power minus x dx is equal to dt. So instead of this you can write dt, and instead of denominator you can write t, so it will become log t plus c. So the answer is log e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus c. Now question number 21. Integrate tan square 2x minus 3 dx. How will you integrate tan square? We know the trigonometric formula. tan square का इंटीग्रल अपन को पता नहीं है, बस अपन को किसका पता है, sec square x का. So we will convert into sec square x. So we can write it as sec square 2x minus 3 minus 1 dx. This is the identity of trigonometry. So integrate sec square 2x minus 3 minus integral 1 dx. So integrate it, you will get sec square x का क्या होता है, tan x. इसका डिफरेंशियल करेंगे 2x minus 3 का क्या आएगा, 2 into minus 0, so 2 आएगा. तो इंटीग्रल is the reverse process of differentiation upon 2 minus x plus c. This is the answer. Question 23rd. Integrate sin inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square dx. Now differential of sin inverse x given to you. So what is the differential of sin inverse x? Under root 1 minus x square 1 upon. So I will take sin inverse x is equal to t. Differential of sin inverse x 1 upon under root 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. So it will become sin inverse x को तो आप रख दीजिए t, ये किस में चला गया पूरा dt में, तो it will become t dt. So t square upon 2 plus c. So instead of t you can put sin inverse x whole square upon 2 plus c. So this is the answer. Now I will take question number 25th. 1 upon cos square x bracket 1 minus tan x का इंटीग्रल करेंगे dx. So we convert into tan को किस में कर देंगे, sec में, and we put it into sec and tan. So 1 upon cos square x is sec square x dx upon 1 minus tan x. Now I will take tan 1 minus tan x को आप पूरा क्या ले लीजिए t. 1 का तो 0 हो गया और tan x का क्या होता है sec square x dx is equal to dt. So sec square x dx is equal to किस में चला गया, minus gt में. So minus gt upon t. So it becomes minus log t plus c. So answer is, instead of t you can put 1 minus log t 1 minus tan x का हो गया sec square x dx. 1 minus tan x is t. So 1 minus tan x plus c, और you can write, इसको आप उधर ले जाएंगे -1, तो ये हो जाएगा 1 upon 1 plus 10x. Question 32. Integrate 1 upon 1 plus cot x dx. This is important question. So first we simplify cot x. 1 upon 1 plus, instead of cot x you can write cos upon sin x. Now take LCM. 1 upon sin x is the LCM. So sin x plus cos x, this sign will come up. So it will become sin x plus cos x. Now multiplied it by 2, you will get 2 sin x upon sin x plus cos x. Now we will break up of 2 sin x. Now is 2 sin x को अपन, here we can use one trick. क्या करेंगे, इसको आप ऐसे कैसे ऊपर लिख दीजिए. Now here we can use trick. See here 1 upon 2 integral, what is the denominator? Sin x plus cos x. Now put sin x cos x same as it is here. Now what is the differentiation of sin x cos x? Put in other bracket. Sin x का होता है cos x और cos x का होता है minus sin x. Now you use which sign you can use, so you will get 2 sin x, put minus sin x, cos x cancel and 2 sin x come. So instead of 2 sin x you can write sin x plus cos x in one bracket, cos x minus sin x, बीच में minus का sign. The trick is that use sin x cos x as it is and differentiate use as it is here. So your breakup of this will come here. And now we will bifurcate it. अलग अलग कर दीजिए. 1 upon 2 integral sin x plus cos x upon sin x plus cos x. 1 by 2 अंदर जाएगा, minus 1 by 2 integral cos x minus sin x upon sin x plus cos x. Now this will cancel out. You will get 1 upon 2 integral 1 dx minus, here you can use, in this integral you put sin x plus cos x is equal to t. You will get sin का क्या होता है cos x, cos का minus sin x, dx is equal to dt. So this will comes in dt and this is t. So it will become 1 by 2 1 dx, इसकी जगह आ जाएगा minus 1 by 2 dt upon t. 1 का होता है x upon 2 minus 1 by 2 1 by t log t plus c. Now putting the value of t you will get x upon 2 minus 1 by 2 log t की जगह आप रखिए sin x plus cos x plus c. So this is the answer. This is important question. One more of this type I will do right now. See on the board. Same type, one more question. Use the trick in this question. It is important one. Question number 33. Integrate 1 upon 1 minus 10x dx. Now first we simplify 10x. So 1 upon 1 minus sin x upon cos x dx. Take LCM. If you take LCM, cos x come in numerator and in denominator cos x minus sin x dx. अगर LCM लेंगे cos x minus sin x, ये cos x numerator में आ गया. Now multiplied it by 2 in numerator and denominator, it make it 2 cos x. Now I will राइट 2 cos x इन द सेपरेट फॉर्म. सी हियर, इस 2 cos x को आप ऐसे लिखिए, डिनोमिनेटर को आप एज इट इज लिख लीजिए cos x अपॉन sin x. ये डिनोमिनेटर वापस एज इट इज लिख लीजिए एक ब्रैकेट में cos x माइनस sin x. दूसरे वाले ब्रैकेट में इसका डिफरेंशियल लिखिए. cos का क्या होता है माइनस sin x, sin का क्या होता है माइनस cos x. ओके, नाउ विच साइन यू कैन यूज हियर टू मेक इट 2 cos x? आई विल माइनस साइन, माइनस माइनस प्लस sin x कैंसिल, माइनस cos x हो जाएगा प्लस cos x प्लस cos x 2 cos x. Now we will separate it. Now we will separate it. So 1 by 2 integral cos x minus sin x upon cos x minus sin x dx minus 1 by 2 integral minus sin x minus cos x minus sin x minus cos x upon cos x minus sin x dx. This will cancel out. It is 1 upon 2 1 dx. Now in this you can put second integral, you can put cos x minus sin x is equal to t. What is the differentiation of cos x minus sin x? Sin का cos x minus as it is dx is equal to dt. dt by dx होगा, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, याद है. Instead of this you can write dt. So 1 upon 2 integral 1 dx minus 1 upon 2 dt upon cos x minus sin x is t. So 1 का हो जाएगा x minus 1 upon t का log t plus c. Now 1 upon 2x minus putting the value of t log cos x minus sin x plus c. This is the answer. Question 34. Integrate root 10x upon cos sin x cos x dx. There are so many tricks I will use. Convert tan को किस में कन्वर्ट, tan और sec में रिलेशन कर देंगे तो tan x को पुट करेंगे तो sec square x आता है. So I will convert denominator into sec. See here, I use the trick sin x cos x multiply denominator by cos x. You will get sin x upon cos x हो जाएगा, ये मिलके क्या हो जाएगा tan x. So root tan x upon tan x cos square x dx. Now cos ऊपर चला जाएगा तो it will become sec square x और एक tan नीचे आ जाएगा तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, इससे ये कट जाएगा तो ये हो जाएगा root tan x dx dt. Now I will put tan x is equal to t. So it will become sec square x dx is equal to dt. So instead of sec square x you put dt upon, instead of tan you put root t. So it becomes t की power minus 1 by 2 dt. So use integral minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So it becomes t को minus 1 by 2 करेंगे 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus c. It becomes 2 root t plus c. What is the value of t? Tan x. So it becomes 2 tan x under root में plus c is the answer. Question 36. Integrate x plus 1 x plus log x whole square upon x dx. Now इसको अलग कर दीजिए, x को x plus 1 के साथ लीजिए तो ये क्या हो जाएगा x plus 1 upon x और ये हो जाएगा x प्लस log x का होल स्क्वायर dx. Now differential of this is this. See, I will take put x plus log x is equal to t. Instead of differential of x is 1, log x is 1 upon x, it becomes dx is equal to dt. dt by dx होगा, इधर ले आए इसको. So I will take LCM x, so it will become x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. So this or this portion will goes into dt and here it is t. So it is t square upon t square dt. ये dt में चला गया और ये t है t स्क्वायर, तो x की पावर n से इंटीग्रल कर दीजिए, n plus 1 upon n plus 1, so it will become t cube upon 3 plus c. This implies what is tx plus log x whole cube upon 3 plus c is the answer. Now I will take question number 37. Question number 37. See here, integrate x cube sine tan inverse x to the power 4 upon 1 plus x की power 8 dx. Integrate it. Now see here, differential of tan inverse x is given to you. So what is put tan inverse x is equal to t. Tan inverse x to the power 4. So what is the differential of tan inverse x? 1 upon 1 plus x square. X is here x4 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो ये आएगा, और x4 का करोगे आप तो क्या आएगा 3x क्यूब dx is equal to dt. Now x cube and 1 upon x dx किस में चला जाएगा dt में, तो ये क्या बन गया 1 upon x क्यूब, 3 को उधर ले जाइए, x क्यूब 1 plus x to the power 8, 4 into 2 8 dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt. 1 by 3 4 है ये, तो ये 4x क्यूब होगा, 1 by 4 dt. x की पावर 4 का क्या होगा 4x क्यूब. So this will become goes into 1 by 4 dt. 1 by 4 dt इधर रख देंगे, sin inverse tan inverse x को क्या माना अपन ने t dt. तो sin inverse sin है, sin t का क्या होता है माइनस कॉस, sin का क्या होता है माइनस कॉस x. सो माइनस 1 by 4 cos t plus c. What is the value of t? Tan inverse. So minus 1 by 4 cos tan inverse x to the power 4 plus c is the answer.